Expect traffic congestion along the Mandela Highway. That's the warning from the National Works Agency NAA, which has announced that changes will be made to a section of the corridor come Saturday. The NAA Communication and Customer Services Manager Stephen Shaw is now urging motorists using that route to leave home earlier. TVJ's Dara Smith explains.
Traffic flowing freely along the Mandela Highway, but that's just for today, a weekend day. For the most part, sections of the Mandela Highway seem like a parking lot for motorists during peak hours. And today, the National Works Agency revealed that it could get worse with the closure of a section of the road between the off-ramp of Highway 2000 and the Ferry Police Station. Communication and Customer Services Manager at the NAA, Stephen Shaw, has revealed that come Saturday, April 22, eastbound traffic, that's traffic heading into Kingston, will be diverted between the off-ramp of Highway 2000 and the Ferry Police Station. This traffic will be diverted to the westbound lanes, meaning those heading toward Spanish Town, which have now been widened to 4 lanes.
What this means is that persons who would normally use the eastbound carriageway heading into Kingston, the westbound will be shared with these motorists. That is the expanded westbound carriageway will be shared, because the westbound carriageway between the police station and the on-ramp to Highway 2000 is now 4 lanes. So that 4 lanes, we are going to be having 2 to head east and 2 to facilitate westbound traffic.
All this to facilitate work being done on the highway, which includes lifting of the road and the installation of additional drainage features. So now motorists are being urged to resist the temptation of rubbernecking. That's slowing down to observe the work being done along the highway.
The rubbernecking, as well as the fact that we are going to be taking out the section of the eastbound carriageway, there is the likelihood that persons will see increased travel times when using the Mandela Highway.
Mr. Shaw explains that there will also be changes to how the highway is used as it relates to U-turns.
Persons who are doing business along the Mandela, persons going to the group of schools, to the police station, they'll be able to use that turnaround facility that has been created just in the vicinity of the police station. Those persons heading from the direction of Spanish Town who are heading into Kingston but wish to turn around, they will be able to do so at the intersection at John Pringle Road. And so that is the only point where we are going to be allowing persons to make that U-turn.
Effective Saturday, April 22 as well, a lay-by will be created near the Ferry Police Station to accommodate all bus operators. Buses will not be allowed to stop anywhere else, and persons who disobey could be prosecuted. The Mandela Highway project, which is now 40% complete, is being done at a cost of US $63 million. The project is slated to be completed in the summer of 2018. Meanwhile, in a statement yesterday, the Jamaican Urban Transit Company, the JUTC, says its dedicated bus lane from Spanish Town to Kingston will be discontinued effective Thursday due to the work on the Mandela Highway. Dara Smith, TVJ News.